Good morning students. I welcome you all back to the class. Now we will be moving on to premises under unit 2 of pharmaceutical quality assurance. Under unit 2 already we have discussed organization and personnel. Now we are going to see about premises. Premises is the most important part involved in good manufacturing practices. So according to current good manufacturing practices, what are premises and what are the requirements for premises to achieve 100% product quality? Okay, that is the aim. To meet the product quality, premises are designed and constructed. So we will be discussing briefly about premises here. The contents under premises to be discussed today are design, construction and plant layout. Design, construction and plant layout. First we will see what are premises, what are the principles behind premises. Premises are considered for its location, design, construction, adoption, maintenance for the operations to achieve the quality of product. What are the parameters to be considered under premises? Its location, design, construction, adoption and maintenance for all operations under a pharmaceutical industry to achieve the product quality. The main principle of premises. Then why all the parameters are considered under premises means it is to minimize risks of errors and cross contamination. To minimize risks of errors and cross contamination. Next, permit effective cleaning. To permit effective cleaning. Then to permit effective maintenance. Then to minimize buildup of dirt and dust. To minimize buildup of dirt and dust. And to eliminate any adverse effects on quality. To eliminate any adverse effects on quality. To meet all these principles, premises are properly located, designed, constructed, adopted and maintained to achieve the product quality. Okay, this is about principles of premises. Clear? Coming to premises design. Design of premises is based on three concepts. They are process flow, material flow and people flow. Process, material, people. Considering these three, process, material and people, the premises are designed accordingly. Okay. Coming to construction and plant layout for a pharmaceutical industry. It is according to current good manufacturing practices for premises. So the layout given in the picture, it represents the concept of design that is based on people, material and process flow. Accordingly the layout is fixed. You can observe how it is designed for construction. Okay. Let's see what are the 5 major areas of premises. What are the 5 major areas of premises? ancillary areas, storage areas, weighing areas, production areas, and quality control areas. What are those? Ancillary, storage, weighing, production, and quality control. Let's see what are the requirements for construction and plant layout. Services, design and construction features, aseptic processing, lighting, ventilation, air filtration, air heating and cooling. Services, design and construction features, aseptic processing, lighting, ventilation, air filtration, air heating and cooling. Then the requirements are continued in this slide also. Plumbing, sewage and refuse, product disposal, printed packaging disposal, general trash and sewage. What are those? Plumbing, sewage and refuse, product disposal, printed packaging disposal, general trash and sewage. Then washing and toilet facilities, sanitation and maintenance. These are the various requirements for construction of a pharmaceutical industry according to design and plant layout. Let's see what are the features of a good pharmaceutical plant layout. The features are adequate floor space for machines, installation and utilization. Adequate floor space for machines, installation and utilization. Then to facilitate minimum material handling is necessary for low cost processing. To facilitate minimum material handling is necessary for low cost processing. Then to facilitate smooth and continuous flow of production process from one point to another without any form of delay. To facilitate smooth and continuous flow of production process from one point to another without any form of delay. Then the features are continued. A good pharmaceutical plant layout is to incorporate adequate health, safety and security features such as first aid box, fire extinguisher, emergency exit and access point. Okay. It is to incorporate adequate health, safety and security features. Then to allow effective supervision, coordination and control of the production processes. It allows effective supervision, coordination and control of the production processes. Then it provides room for adjustment and modifications whenever the need arises. It provides a room for adjustment and modifications whenever the need arises. These are the features of a good pharmaceutical plant layout to meet product quality. Let's see what are the advantages of a good pharmaceutical plant layout. The advantages are: a plant layout is applicable for optimum use of available floor space for production operations. Optimum use of available floor space for production operations. Then improved quality of product. Quality of product due to reduced chances of cross-contamination. Reduced chances of cross-contamination. Then efficient arrangement for receipt, transportation, storage and delivery of raw materials and finished goods. Receiving, transporting, storing and delivering of raw materials and finished goods in efficient manner. Then low cost of material handling. Low cost of material handling. Then minimize loss due to waste and spoilage. Minimized loss due to waste and spoilage. Advantages are continued here. A plant layout supports conducive working conditions resulting in improved efficiency. Conducive working conditions resulting in improved efficiency. Then increased productivity with reduced risk of human error. Increased productivity with reduced risk of human error. Then minimized risk of occupational hazards. That means low incidence of occupational hazards. Then minimized cost and efforts in supervision of production processes. Minimized cost and efforts in supervision of production processes. Then provision of control and supervision operations at appropriate points. Provision of control and supervision operations at appropriate points. These are the advantages of a good pharmaceutical plant layout to achieve the product quality. Coming to the summary of today's discussion, we have discussed about the title premises in Unit 2. In that, design, construction and plant layout have been discussed. And subtitles are principles of premises, concepts of design, a plant layout as per CGMP, then requirements for construction, then 5 major areas of construction, requirements, features of a plant layout, then advantages of a plant layout. These are the things we have discussed today. In the next class, we will be discussing about remaining part of premises. Thank you all for patient listening.